Hello, voice is audible. Hello, voice is audible. Okay. Uh, Screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now today we are going to see a very last part from this circuit, that is nothing but the what we have studied up till now. We have studied purely resistive circuit, purely inductive circuit. And now today we are going to see third and foremost important part, that is nothing but the purely capacitive circuit. Purely capacitive circuit, or you can say that AC through pure capacitance. AC through pure capacitance. Okay. Now see, first of all, we will draw the diagram. How the connection diagram is, we can draw here. See, just I will going to draw here. Very simple one. This is the capacitor C, and the voltage which is applied across the capacitor, that is V, which is having the magnitude, or which is given by V is equal to sine omega t. The current through it is given by I. The voltage across the capacitor is given by VC, and the value of this capacitance is nothing but this C. Okay. हा कॅपॅसिटन्सचा सिम्बॉल आहे, सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे ना. एव्हरीबडी नोज दॅट दिस इज द सिम्बॉल ऑफ कॅपॅसिटन्स. बरोबर आहे का? Might be you have studied in 12th. This is the symbol of capacitance. Okay. Everybody studied it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now this is our circuit diagram, or you can say this is our circuit arrangement for the purely capacitive circuit. Okay, here is the capacitance C, and then the voltage applied across it, it is nothing but the V, which is given by Vm sine of omega t, and current flowing through this circuit is nothing but the I. Now what we have to do, first of all, we have to find out voltage equation of, we have to find out the equation of voltage and current. The equation of voltage and current for this circuit. Okay. Now what is my equation of voltage? See, I am writing here V is equal to Vm sine of omega t. This is, I am giving it as the equation number 1. Okay. Now you know that, or you have already studied in 12th, I think, this formula C is equal to Q by V. Whether you have studied this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
C is equal to Q by V, where Q is nothing but the charge and V is nothing but the applied voltage. Okay. Now if C, I have to find the value for Q, that is equal to C into V. But what is value of my V? See, V is nothing but the Vm sine of omega t. So this is the equation for the Q. Okay, but you know that what is the equation of current? I, which is equal to dq by dt. I is equal to dq by dt, the rate of change of flow of charge. That is nothing but the current. Now what I am going to do? I am going to put the value of Q in this equation. So see what it will happen. Okay, now see here, I is equal to d by dt of what I'm going to write here. What is the value of Q? C Vm sine of omega t. Okay, now which is constant here that I will take outside of this derivative? Which are that constant? C and Vm. So what is that? D by dt of sine of omega t. Okay, now what is the derivative of sine of omega t?
Cos omega
omega t.
Cos omega t, but this derivative is with respect to t. So what it will become?
Omega cos omega t.
Correct. C into Vm. Sine derivative I am writing here. Cos of omega t into omega. So see how I am writing here. This omega c, omega I will take here. Omega c is equal to Vm into cos of omega t. Okay. But what is the value of sine of pi by 2 plus theta? What is the value of sine of pi by 2 plus theta? That is nothing but the cos theta.
Cos theta.
Okay, so see how I am writing this. This omega c as it is Vm. Instead of this, what I am writing? Sine of I am writing sine of omega t plus pi by 2. Okay, now here one term comes, that is nothing but the omega c. Okay, but that is into the numerator. I want to shift it into the denominator. Why? Because I have to compare with the standard equation of the voltage. So see what I am doing here, arrangement Vm divided by 1 upon omega c. बरोबर आहे का? मी हे लिहिलेलं ओमेगा सी परत न्यूमरेटरला गेलं तर काय होणार आहे? ओमेगा सी इंटू व्हीएम. बरोबर आहे का? ओके, and
Yes,
then sine of omega t plus pi by 2. Okay, now whatever this term is there, this term is nothing but the maximum value of the current, which is given by I is equal to Im sine of omega t plus pi by 2. So this is my equation of current. I am giving it as the equation number 2. Now see what is the value of Im. I am writing here where the Im is equal to Vm divided by 1 upon omega c. 1 upon omega c. Now by looking this equation number 1 and equation number 2, what you can say here? काय म्हणू शकता तुम्ही? By seeing the equation number 1 and 2, what you can say? Who is leading here in this purely capacitive circuit?
Current is leading.
Correct. Current is leading the voltage by how many angle? See,
90.
angle
90
is
degree
given.
length.
Correct. You can say 90 degree or pi by 2 radian. बरोबर आहे का? Everybody got this one? By comparing
Yes, sir.
equation number 1 and equation number 2, you can say that in purely capacitive circuit, the current leads the voltage by how many angle? By 90 degree. Okay, now see here, I will draw the phasor diagram now. just I will draw the phasor diagram here for the purely capacitive circuit. What is that phasor diagram? See, this is my phasor of current, this is my phasor of voltage, and the angle between these two, that is nothing but the 90 degree. What you can say? So in the purely capacitive circuit, current leads the voltage by how many angle? By the 90 degree. Okay, then what is this term is there? Okay, this term, that is this term, which is this terms 1 upon omega c, that is called as capacitive reactance, which is denoted by x suffix small c, which is given by xc is equal to 1 upon omega c. पण omega ची value काय? What will be the value of omega? 2 pi f. So how I can write? xc is equal to 2 pi f c, where f is nothing but the frequency and c is nothing but the capacitance. Okay, and this xc is called as, what you can call this is called as the capacitive reactance. What it is called as the capacitive reactance. Everybody got it? Okay, now see, fourth I am doing what? Phase difference, that is nothing but the 90 degree. Now next point, that is nothing but the power factor. So what you can say? How many angle is there between voltage and current? That is 90 degree. That is cos of 90. So what
0
will be the value of cos of 90? 0. But what you can say here? काल आपण काय म्हणलं होतं? In purely inductive circuit, what you can say? 0 lagging. Here what you have to say? 0 leading. 0 leading. Got everyone got it? काल आपण काय म्हणलं होतं? And what we are going to say into the today's lecture. Yesterday in the purely inductive circuit, what we have seen? We have seen that 0 lagging. But now today into the purely capacitive circuit, what we are going to say? 0 leading. Everybody got this one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कळलेलं आहे का सगळ्यांना? What this xc is called as? I am writing here its name. xc is called as the capacitive reactance. xc is called as the capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance. Everybody got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, formula लक्षात ठेवा, because we have to solve the different numericals based on it. And what will be the formula for maximum current? Im is equal to Vm divided by, किंवा असं पण लिहू शकता तुम्ही तो फॉर्म्युला, Im is equal to Vm divided by Xc. बरोबर आहे का? असं पण लिहू शकता, Im is equal to Vm divided by Xc. Got it everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now what you have to do? बघा सगळ्यांनी काय करायचं आता? First of all, draw this diagram within 5 minutes. जास्त वेळ लावायचा नाही. First of all, you have to draw this diagram, then write down the equation of voltage and current. Okay, after draw this phasor diagram, then write down the equation for this Xc. What is that Xc? Or you can also write down the equation for this Im, and then write down the value of this power factor. Within 5 minutes, you have to complete all these things. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Go for it. Within 5 minutes, you have to complete.
सर
Yeah.
मला स्क्रीन दिसत नाहीये. मी मीटिंग लीव करून पुन्हा जॉईन करू का?
How is it possible? Why screen
नाही
is
sir.
not visible?
पूर्ण ब्लॅक बोर्ड दिसतोय. आतापर्यंत दिसली मला आणि आता अचानक दिसली नाहीये. मग मी लीव करून जॉईन होते.
What's your roll number?
54.
You can join it because some students are there. I need to what I can say, off the screen. Now after that I have to allow you. You can exit and rejoin again.
Yes.
Completed everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. I will erase only some of these things so that I can. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the phasor diagram. Sorry, waveform of this particular. Now see here how I am going to draw. Carefully see. This is my horizontal axis. Okay. Now suppose this is the waveform of the voltage. Okay. This is the waveform of the voltage. आता आपण काय म्हणतोय? What we are saying that current leading the voltage by how many angle? Current leads the voltage by how many angle? 90 degree.
5/2.
ओके. म्हणजे जर माझी व्होल्टेजची वेव्हफॉर्म इथं चालू झाली असेल तर ची करंटची वेव्हफॉर्म काय होणार आहे? ह्याच्यापेक्षा आधी चालू होणार आहे का ह्याच्यापेक्षा नंतर?
आधी चालवणार.
करेक्ट. म्हणजे जर सपोज मी हे एक्सटेंड असं केलं लाईक दिस वन. सो सी आधीची वेव्हफॉर्म चालू आहे जी आपल्याला गरजेची नाही ती मी डॉटेड दाखवतोय. ओके. अँड this is my actual waveform. This is my actual waveform of the current. Just see बघा मी कसे ड्रॉ करतोय. बघा. Okay, so this is my waveform of C. This is the waveform of voltage. V is equal to Vm sine of omega t. This is the waveform of current. This is the I is equal to Im sine of omega t plus pi by 2. आता मला काय करायचंय? व्हॉट आय हॅव टू डू? आय हॅव टू ड्रॉ दी वेव्हफॉर्म ऑफ पॉवर. बरोबर आहे. आता बघा सगळ्यांनी फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट व्हॉट इज दी युअर व्हॉट आय कॅन से व्हॉट इज दी वेदर युअर व्होल्टेज इज पॉझिटिव्ह ऑर निगेटिव्ह?
Positive.
Positive. What is the value of your current? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Means
Positive.
what is the value of your power?
Positive.
पॉझिटिव्ह असणार.
Positive.
So see how I am drawing like this one. Okay. Now see here from this point to this point, your voltage is positive. Okay. Your current is
Positive.
need बघा ना.
Negative.
Your voltage is positive, but current waveform is this one.
Negative.
So what will be your total power?
Negative.
That is negative. So see like this one. Now from this point to this point to this point, okay, what is your voltage? Whether it is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. What is the how the current? Negative. But the power which is the product of voltage and current, negative means the
Positive.
positive. So see how your waveform of power is there like this one. Okay. And now from this point to this point your voltage is
Positive.
voltage बघा,
Positive.
voltage
Negative.
पॉझिटिव्ह आहे का निगेटिव्ह?
Negative.
Negative. And
Negative.
whatever current
Positive.
positive
Positive.
means positive negative product. What will be that power product?
Negative.
Negative. So
Negative.
my waveform of power is like this one. म्हणजे काय, तुमची होल सायकल मध्ये 2 वेळेस पॉवर तुमची काय पॉझिटिव्ह आहे आणि 2 वेळेस काय इट बिकम्स दी निगेटिव्ह. मीन्स व्हॉट यू कॅन से average power over the whole cycle is nothing but the 0. Everybody got this one?
Yes.
The value of average power over the whole cycle in the purely capacitive circuit, it is nothing but the 0. Everybody got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so within 2 minutes you can draw a waveform. In just 2 minutes you can draw this waveform of voltage, current and the power. Completed? Everybody drawn the waveform?
Yes, sir.
सगळ्यांनी ड्रॉ केली का?
Yes.
हा, can I erase it? Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Now we will see the what type of problem has been asked on this particular point. म्हणूनच तुम्हाला हे मी नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून घ्यायला सांगितलंय, कारण हे एकदा इरेज केलं तर फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला माहित पाहिजेत. ओके, so see, we will start with the simple problems are there, not that much difficult. See, this is our first problem. I can write here. बघा, you also write down with me. Pure inductive coil allows a current of 10 ampere to flow from 230 volt, 50 hertz supply. 50 hertz supply. Calculate first inductive reactance. Second, inductance. And third, write down equation of voltage and current. लिहून घेतलं एक्झाम्पल सगळ्यांनी?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
just see
sir.
here, concentrate. We will write down the given things first, which are given to us. Now in this such a listen carefully, what they have given allows the current of 10 ampere. Okay, now whatever the value of this current is given, can anybody say that whether it is the maximum value or RMS value? असं त्यांनी म्हटलंय का की हा RMS व्हॅल्यू आहे, मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू आहे, असं कुठे त्यांनी म्हटलंय का? Whether they have said like this?
No.
But
No, sir.
whenever into the example such a type of value is given, it is always RMS value. Okay, whether it is not given, it is always an RMS value, which is of what? 10 ampere. बघा की कॉल करा की बसायचं हे ड्राईव्ह मिस्टर येतात, लेक्चर आहे त्यांचं, ड्राईव्ह तिकडं आहे. Then what is its given? Voltage is 230 volt. So whether it is RMS or maximum value of voltage, they have not mentioned anything. Okay, so this is the RMS value of voltage, which is nothing but the 230 volt. Got it, everyone? Now next, what is given? Frequency, that is of what? 50 hertz. So F is equal to how many? It is nothing but the 50 hertz. Now what we have to find out? What we have to find out?
Inductive reactance.
Inductive reactance means what? What is the inductive reactance? That is
XL.
nothing but the
XL.
XL. Okay, inductance in the sense capital L. Okay, and we have to write the equation for voltage and current. Got it, everyone? What is given and what we need to find out? Now see here, what is the formula for inductive reactance? कुणाला माहिती का इंडक्टिव्ह रिएक्टन्सचा फॉर्म्युला काय?
Omega.
VM by IM.
Inductive reactance formula is equal to omega
L 2 pi FL.
What is the omega? 2 pi f into L. पण आता ह्यात आपल्याला एक्सेल ची पण व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे आणि एल ची पण व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. सो वेदर दिस फॉर्म्युला इज युजफुल फॉर मी?
No.
नो.
Yes.
So
No.
which formula useful for me? Can I write like this? V is equal to I into Excel. Okay. Can I write like this? V is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to I into Excel. Okay. जर तुम्ही इथं RMS लिहिलं तर काय येणार आहे? V RMS is equal to I RMS
RMS
into
in
Excel.
Excel.
बरोबर आहे का? So instead
Ha.
of writing VRMS, I am writing the generalized thing, that is V is equal to I into Excel. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what to do? Just see here. Put this value here. What is that? 230, which is equal to the value of current is equal to 10 into XL. So what value of XL I am getting? What is that?
23.
230
23.
divided by 10. That is XL is nothing but the 23. The reactance always having the unit of ohm. So my inductive reactance is 23 ohm. Got it, everyone? Everyone got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now use the formula. What is that formula? This formula. XL is equal to 2 pi F into L. So put all the values. 23, that is equal to 2 pi F. Frequency, how much it is? 50 into L. So find out the value of inductance now. सगळ्यांकडे कॅल्शियम आहे, सगळ्यांनी इंडक्टन्सची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करा.
0.07.
0.07. अजून एक नेक्स्ट डिजिट, अजून एक
3.
3. And what is its unit? Is nothing but the Henry. Its unit is Henry. Okay, got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Now, what they said that write down the equation for voltage and current. Is it correct? Now, for purely inductive circuit, what is the equation for voltage? Vm sine of omega t. And what is the equation of current? I is equal to Im sine of
Omega t minus
Omega
pi by 2.
Omega t plus.
Omega t
Minus pi by 2.
Inductive circuit is given. Inductive circuit, whether it is lagging or leading, that is minus pi by 2. But whether we are having the value of Vm Im, आपल्याकडे आहेत का Vm Im च्या व्हॅल्यू?
नाही.
Yes.
नाही. पण आपल्याकडे RMS व्हॅल्यू आहेत, त्याच्यावरून आपण काय करू शकतो? वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट दी मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू, वेदर इट इज करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, find the maximum value. Vm is equal, sorry, what is the formula? VRMS is equal to 0.707 Vm. बरोबर आहे? So Vm is equal to VRMS किती दिलेला आहे? 230 divided by 0.707. So tell me the value of Vm, and then IRMS is equal to 0.707 Im. So Im is equal to 230 divide, sorry, I'm extremely sorry. What is IRMS? That is nothing but the 10 divided by 0.707. So tell me the value of Vm and Im.
325.31.
325.31. And what is my current? What is my current?
14.14.
Correct.
14.14.
14 ampere, and this is the volt. Now put all these value in this equation and write down this equation. बघा, equation of voltage कसं लिहितोय मी? V is equal to Vm 320.31 sine of omega t. बरोबर आहे? And what is my equation of current? I is equal to 14.14 sine of omega t minus pi by 2. Got it, everyone? Everyone got it? How to solve this such a type of example?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write down it properly. First of all, write down the equation of voltage and then write down the equation of current and remaining all things. आता मला सांगा, जर मी हाच फॉर्म्युला XC साठी लिहायचा झाला तर मी काय लिहू शकलो असतो? V इज इक्वल टू I इंटू XC, बरोबर आहे का? ओके, पण XC चा फॉर्म्युला काय? व्हॉट विल बी द फॉर्म्युला फॉर XC?
1 upon omega c.
I इंटू 1 अपॉन ओमेगा सी. हा चेंज फक्त लक्षात राहू द्या. सगळ्यांनी एक्झाम्पल लिहून घ्या. राईट इट प्रॉपरली. कंप्लीटेड एव्हरीवन? सगळ्यांचं झालंय का?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, can I erase it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will take another example that will based on the capacitance. Okay, so write down that example. A capacitor of 318 microfarad, 318 microfarad connected to 200 volt, 200 volt, 50 hertz supply. 200 volt, 50 hertz supply. Full stop. Calculate first capacitive reactance, then second maximum value of current, and next what they have asked, the equation for third, equation for voltage and current, equation for voltage and current. Okay, so see what is given things to us. Given things काय काय आपल्याकडं, कॅपॅसिटन्स 318 मायक्रोफॅरड. मायक्रोफॅरडला जर फॅरड मध्ये केलं तर किती येणार आहे? मायक्रो म्हणजे किती असते?
10 to
-6 म्हणजे बघा 318 into 10⁻⁻6 farad. Correct? Now V voltage is given, its RMS value, that is 200 volt. Frequency 50 hertz. Okay, now what we need to calculate? Capacitive reactance. So what is the formula for capacitive reactance? Xc is equal to
1 upon omega c.
correct, 1 upon omega c. But what is omega?
2 pi f.
2 pi f into c. Now whether all value is given to us? Yes, 2 pi into frequency 50 into capacitance 318 into 10⁻⁻6. Got it? So find out the value of Xc now. How much value of Xc you are getting? किती येते Xc ची व्हॅल्यू?
.009.
10.009
Oh,
ohm. Got it, everyone?
yes, sir.
Now, what we need to find out? Maximum value of current. But whether we are having RMS value of current? No. So what is formula? E is equal to I into Xc. So what? Vrms is equal to Irms into Xc. So Vrms value is given 200, which is equal to Irms into Xc values we have calculated 10.009. So find out the RMS value of the current from this. What is the RMS value? What is the RMS value? अरे किती सोपे, नियरली 20 च येणार.
20.
That is nothing but the 20 ampere. Now how we can find maximum value? Irms is equal to 0.707 into Im. बरोबर आहे का? So Im is equal to Irms 20 divided by 0.707. किती येते सांगा मॅक्झिमम करंटची व्हॅल्यू?
28.28.
28.28
28.
ampere. This is the maximum value of current. And next what they have asked, maximum value of voltage. काय येणार आहे? Vm is equal to Vrms किती दिलंय? 200 divided by 0.707. So find out the value of maximum value of voltage.
282.88.
282.88 volt. And write down now equation. This is the purely capacitive circuit. So who is leading current? So V is equal to Vm sin of omega t. आता Vm ची व्हॅल्यू किती दिलेली आहे? 282.88 sin of omega t. And what is the current? I is equal to Im sin of omega t
T
plus
plus pi by 2.
by 2. So what is the maximum value of current we have calculated? 28.18 sin of omega t plus pi by 2. कळते सगळ्यांना? This is the equation of voltage and this is the equation of current. Got it everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can write down fast. 5 minutes remaining, write down it fast. झालंय का सगळ्यांचं? Completed everyone? झालंय का सगळ्यांचं? Everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All, can I close it?
Yes, sir.